This is a 2017 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this Ultra Limited is Black Hills Gold and Black Quartz. This is a really great looking two-tone combination. The black is metallic and also the gold color is metallic. This bike is in like-new condition. It has only 3,231 original miles on the odometer. It has the painted inner fairing, heated grips, hydraulic clutch. It also comes equipped with a 6.5-inch boom stereo system, which is a color touchscreen for your AM/FM weather band. It has a hidden compartment with a plug to interface with the music on your phone or your iPod, and you can control it by this touchscreen or by the hand controls. The seat is in like-new condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts. It has a security system with a key and key fob, ABS brakes, of course cruise control. It has the redesigned fairing for better aerodynamics and also the vent to reduce buffeting. Being a limited edition, it also has the LED headlights, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light, LED lights across the back and the sides of the tour pack, which make you very, very visible on this bike. Help keep you safe. Chrome black contrast cut wheels, front and rear. Now, being a 2017 model limited, this bike is equipped with the new Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch engine. What's special about this is it has a stage 1 kit installed by the dealership. It has the Harley Davidson heavy breather, Screaming Eagle Harley Davidson chrome mufflers, and a Harley Davidson stage 1 download in it. This bike runs really, really stout. 6-speed transmission. This is a very low mileage bike with 3,231 original miles. It is in like-new condition. The paint is just fabulous on this bike. There's no dents, no scratches, no chips. Very well cared for bike. Now, it also comes with the Harley Davidson luggage for the saddlebags and also the tour pack. It also comes with a single headset if you want to plug into the system. Chrome luggage rack. Good looking Screaming Eagle mufflers. Give the bike a good throaty sound without being too loud. bike, take a real good look at this 2017 Ultra Limited. Save yourself several $1000s off of MSRP and freight charges and prep charges and dealer charges and title charges and all the other mystery fees that get tacked on to a new bike purchase. Take a good look at this 2017 Ultra Limited. Great color, low mileage, ready for the highway. For information on how to put this beautiful Black Hills Gold and Black Quartz Milwaukee 8 Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.